What I'm going to do on this video is show you how to add a pop-up or a call to action, a pop-up or overlay on any website element or a CSS ID. Now it's very easy to do. I'm going to pick any random campaign here. For example, I'm going to add a YouTube pop-up video on a website element. So I'm just going to click on the edit here. And you'll see that you can change the settings and add your own YouTube video or what have you. But I'm just going to go to display options. And you'll see that when I scroll down, you can have an animation and so forth, but it says show pop-up when clicked. I'm going to select that, and now it says CSS selector, and there's a couple of examples here. And you can put whatever CSS selector that you want, and it will show up on your website. So for example, I'm going to go to my blog, and I'm going to add a couple things on the About page here. So I'm going to go to my page, I'm going to edit this page, and this is the visual editor, and I'm just going to come here and I'm going to go click on this link here for call to action. All right, and I'm going to simply just going to click on there, and I'm going to add a link, but it's going to be a non-clickable link. So all I'm going to do is add a number sign so that when people see it, when they hover over it, it looks like a mouse hand. And then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to add a media, and I'm going to add an image, and let's just add any random image here. I'm going to add, let's just pick a small one here just to show you here. Let's see here. Doesn't matter really. There you go, the panda. I'm going to insert that into the page. There we go. Oh, that's quite big. All right. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on the text. See that? I'm going to click on the text. And so this is the HTML of that. And it says, so here's the clickable link. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to add where it says class. I'm going to add it right here where it says, oh, sorry about that. I'm going to add space, I'm going to add class, equal sign, and then I'm going to put, for example, pop-up 1. Okay? And now this is the image. See, this is the image, this is the panda. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to add the class. Now the class is already in there. And you'll see that this is the, that's the ID right there, WordPress image 256, but I can change that to anything that I want. Pop-up 1, I can change this to anything that I want here. So I'm going to add it to, I'm going to change it to pop-up 1. There you go, the same video. So this, or I can put it video 1. Here you go, video 1, and I'm going to use the same pop-up video 1. So this is the CSS class. See the class. Everything is inside these quotation marks are an element. So that's a CSS class. That's an element there. Align center. That's full size. That's another one. And then there's the ID right there. Okay, and I've created this same thing with the hyperlink. So I'm going to save this right there. Okay, now I'm going to come and I'm going to refresh my About page. And it should show a great big panda. Okay, there's the panda. So there's two elements there. That's looks like it's clickable, but it's not right now. Now I'm going to go to my options here, and I'm going to put period. Okay, see the class element? Start with a period. So I'm going to put period. I'm going to put video 1. That's it. Now you can add multiple IDs. You can add multiple IDs separated by a comma, so I can have 2 or 3 or as many as I want. But that's all I'm going to do, and it's going to show that a YouTube video, and the YouTube video is in the custom design right here. And I'm going to click on Save Changes. Okay, Save Changes. And now when I come and I'm going to grab this code right here, Grab that code. I'm going to put that in the right before the bottom body tag. So I have WordPress theme and it has this section for footer code right here, and I'm going to save changes. Okay, changes are saved. Now I'm going to refresh my blog page, just like that. So now this is refreshed. So now you'll see that when I click on these elements here, there's going to be a video pop-up. So if I click on this link here, see that? There's the video. Now also, if I click on this image, same thing. See that? So that's how you do it. It's that easy. So, again, this is Mark DeLeese signing off on how to add a call to action on any website element, and it works like gangbusters. Thank you.